We recommend you a Mississippi 9000 SE type multifunctional reworking station. Equipment can be chosen from a Mississippi 9000 SE PC type or a Mississippi 9000 SE TP type. PC type is controlled by Windows 7 and TP type is touch panel operation and logic control. It is the two ways of a hot air type and an IR type about the system of heating. The base of equipment is hot air heating. When it equips with IR unit, heating of equipment is IR automatically. However, the function of equipment is the same except change of a heating system. Moreover, even BGA and reworking of a chip component are possible. The optimal temperature profile for heating is made automatically. You only input the numerical value of a required temperature. Equipment is the optimal heating operation automatic immediately. If the thickness of a board and the height of a package are inputted, after that, equipment will operate automatically. BGA is removed automatically. The heating position of the nozzle and the position of the vacuum bit to the BGA are also operated automatically. It is heated by the program and BGA is removed automatically. The solder of the land is vacuumed up with the special cleaning head. The shaving of the land of a chip component is carried out with a special head. The trash of the solder after a shaving is sucked up. The tool for printing of the solder to BGA is accessories of equipment. It is the two ways of printing with a metal mask and a squeegee, or transfer. Equipment picks up printed BGA automatically. In an attached SNDN type tool, printing of the solder for transfer is also possible. If the solder for transfer can be used, printing without a metal mask will be possible. Even in such a case, it can print automatically. The vision system is operated, and the position of the pattern of BGA and a land is set and mounted. XY table is adjusted finely and positioned by the joystick controller. TP type could be still more clearly seen, since a screen is a special large-sized monitor. After positioning, BGA is mounted automatically. And the nozzle is automatically set to the position of heating by a start button. Progress of soldering can be checked with the external camera. Reworking of a chip component is equipped with a special tweezers nozzle. The tweezer's nozzle can rework the chips from 01005 to 08005. And in 1201 or more large chips, it can rework with the nozzle for BGA. Tweezers are put on a chip to remove. And opening and closing of tweezers are checked. The temperature profile must arrange beforehand. And if heating is started, a chip will be removed automatically. The external camera is freely movable. Lock in the easy position of work. 90-degree change is also possible for a tweezer's nozzle. However, change of a nozzle will be unnecessary if the way which a board holds is changed 90 degrees. Pin transfer is easy for printing of solder. The special transfer pin and the special solder supply tool are arranged. It also has a supply function of an 8mm taping chip component. And it is used equipping the corner of XY table. The solder applied to the transfer pin is transferred to the land. It can print correctly, making full use of the vision system and external camera of equipment. Pick up a chip component from an 8mm tape. The tool for printing also has a function which locks an 8mm tape. A chip component is picked up by a special pickup pin, and it is correctly mounted with the vision system and the external camera. When a chip component is mounted, work is completion with soldering. When reworking 01005 of a chip component, a curvature of mere a few of a board may become a work mistake. An operator may always check a monitor, and adjustment may be needed so that the position of a chip component and tweezers may not shift. Therefore, MS9000SE has the very precise machine accuracy of equipment. The adjuster of equipment is adjusted per micron, and a fine chip component is reworked surely. MS9000SE has multi-functions. However, the change of a function is very easy. If it equips with the cleaning head, a control screen will be changed automatically. If it equips with a nozzle for underfill, it will replace the control screen for it automatically. As for it, other functions are the same.